We are taking a walk in the rain with Lucy, sniffing every little bit. Just listen to this for a minute. Is that cool or what? You don't get that in the city. Every once in a while, we get one of these kids that wants to sit and spin out. I'm going to have to turn back around. I can't walk too much further today. But at least I'm walking. But for the most part, I did give it a 9.7 living out here. You know, you're always going to have a problem or two, somebody with some kind of argument or problem, whatever, but this place is just really great. It's easy on the mind, relaxing. I don't think my neighbor would mind too much. She's a really nice lady. If I showed you some of her plants, look at this thing over here. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? And that hanging one over there. It's getting cold and obviously wet. There's some fern down there. Things are starting to die off, but still got some really pretty stuff. You know, when this flower here was up and running, man, it was really cool too. It was nice. But anyway, I got some neighbor coming now, but I'm gonna be driving down through here. I can hear them revving up. But see, that's not much of nothing. Really gotta love it here. Don't know what this is going to bring. I mean, well, you get, everybody's got to drive, so that's no big deal. Every once in a while, one neighbor's got a rooster goes off over there. That's kind of nice. I like that. Let's see here with somebody. They're clearing this place out and they left a card. Not a business card, obviously, but an ace of diamonds. Cool. Ace of diamonds. Doesn't that mean good luck or money or something or other? I don't know what it means, but it means it's an ace of diamonds, huh? But they are working on it. Not real concerned about security. They're cleaning up in there. Getting things going. I think they're waiting on some kind of a dumpster or something. I'm not going to open the window or anything, but they brought out some stuff. Don't know what that's going to bring. What is this? There's something up here. Huh, never noticed that before. Set my umbrella down. Let's see what this is. Oh, little utility knife. There we go. The Doesn't have any blades in it or anything. I'll set that there. That there belongs to them. Never noticed that there before. Wonder if there's anything else up there. Besides something that might bite me. Oh man. That's interesting. Wonder what's holding a rock. Wonder what's holding this up. Is it just, isn't that pedestal? I don't know. I don't feel anything holding that roof up. Wonder what that could be. Isn't that the weirdest thing? Let me see. Huh. That is so freaky. There's gotta be something under there. Inside. Can't do that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What do they have? Yeah, there's something inside. Okay. Because it won't move from there. Or will it? No way. What? You see it, guys and dolls. There is nothing holding that up. Oh, wow. Another mystery of this house. I don't know. I don't get it. So amazing. Just amazing. Oh well. That is the find of the day. There is nothing holding that corner up. If it got weighted, let me back up here. I don't back up too well yet, so I'm just going to walk back. But if that roof got weighted, that corner is coming down. I don't know. It's off. But that beam across, that's got to be a beam across there, don't you think? Unbelievable. What a way to build a house. Just amazing. Didn't finish the brickwork for the garage that they enclosed. The roof over there, if you could just see it, just bowed and buckled to pieces. The smoke, as Mac said, the smoke draining from the rain, smoke being poured down from where they didn't even clean it. Oh, these poor guys. I feel so bad for them. I'm going to leave that like that. Maybe they'll see it. Maybe they'll do something about it. That's just too much. I am going to have to move my vehicle, though. I'm going to get the keys, put Lucy away and do that. But wow. Oh, Mac, there's still my boards to get ready to take apart and clean. And I feel so almost useless. But when I think I know better. I know it's just this stuff, but we'll get there. Wish you didn't have to do it, but it's being done. It'll make things better later. I was hoping to do some metal detecting today. I want to get over here to this field over here across the road, my neighbor's field. I know she won't mind. I'll ask her again and I've gotten permission before, but I'll ask her again to confirm it. But hopefully that'll be our next video if it stopped raining. I don't know. Maybe I'll do it in the rain. Who knows? I got rain gear. I can do it in rain. Why not? I'll have to check out my new camera and see if I can hear anything through the waterproof part, the waterproof case. And I did, my flag is down because it broke off in the last storm. I'm waiting for a new pole so I can put it up. But see, in case you didn't know, see these poles here? These are the poles. They're 4x4s. I think I would have rather gone with 6x6s, but they're strong enough, I think, for this. I'd have done this fascia and a few things different, but these poles are supposed to be there, and then you put that decorative post over top of that. See? But man, nothing. It's a short space, and it could be just an overhang that's being held up by the house. Would you take that? Would you take that chance? I don't know. I wouldn't. Even if you just put a 4x4 in there first, I wouldn't take that chance. All right, guys. Well, pumpkin's turning yellow, orange, whatever you want to call it. It's coming through. It's the only one. There's still a couple of flowers still feeding it. They're still coming around, but right there, it's dying off. It won't take too much longer. I'm about to get over here and get some tomatoes. They're really weighting down my tomato plants. I need to get in there and get that done too. But not in the rain. I'm just not up to it. I've done enough walking for the day, I think. But anyway, that was fine. I can't believe that. Oh, I gotta get this place cleaned up for the winter. So anyway, just want to show you I'm still walking. Not too bad. And no, Mac, I'm not going to overdo it. I hope not. I'm going to try not to. Thanks for all the comments and the help and the concerns. I really appreciate it. Lucy appreciates it. Don't you, Lucy? Ha! Here comes another noisy neighbor. He's out there spinning his tires in the rain. I don't know if you can see him. You can hear him down there. Let me set this all down and see if we can listen to this. Crazy man. Going to complain. Here he goes. I don't know if you can see the smoke he left down there. I wonder if I can do this. Yeah. There. See all the smoke he left? I wonder if he'll complain later. He hasn't got the money to buy new tires. In the rain's not too bad doing it, but still. You know, smoke means fire. You're burning something up. Anyway, not my problem. Okay, Lucy. Hey, say bye. Lucy, come here. Hey, come here. Say bye. Say bye, everybody. Bye-bye. See you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to help Lucy, this poor little puppy, this poor little dog who was just left behind, soaking wet, has nothing to do, has to eat hand-cooked foods. and live in a yard, an open place. And well, I guess she ain't so poor off, is she? Oh well. Thanks again, guys. We'll be talking to you later. Like, share, and subscribe.